Need a systematic method for doing this question. Now, my approach was to look at one digit, then two digits, then three digits, and so on. The answer did it a little bit differently, but I think by considering all the, like whether you use six or five or four, and that way. But this is how I did it. So I looked at one digit numbers to start with. I'm just going to get six. So I'm going to keep a little tally over here. Two digit numbers, we're going to get 5 1 or 1 5 or 2 2 4 or 4 2 or 3 3. Actually, it's going to be 5. Then three digit numbers, we're going to get 4 1 1. And I can immediately see actually by rearranging, there's going to be three ways I could do this. So you could write them out, and I'm going to write them out here, but you could also just do it more quickly if you're trying to save a bit of time, because there's three positions that the four can occupy here. And then we're going to do 3 2 1. And actually, this is three numbers that are all different. There's going to be six ways of doing that. So I'm going to write them down, but it's basically 3 factorial because there's three ways of doing the first, then two ways of doing the second, then one way of doing the last one. It's worth knowing these little rules. But yeah, there we go. And then we could also, so that's going to be 6. And then we could also have 2 2 2. So overall, 10 ways for three digits. Right, four digits. Well, we could have the largest that it could be would be 3. So then we'd get 3 1 1 1. And again, there's going to be four ways of doing this: 1 3 1 1, 1 1 3 1, and 1 1 1 3. Right, I can't have a 4. Right, if I have a 2, I could do 2 2 1 1. And this is, if you want to do it quickly, there's going to be, because we've got four things that we're arranging, it's going to be 4 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial, because there's two pairs that are repeated. And that's going to give me 4 times 3 times 2 over 4. It's going to be 12, sorry, 6 ways of doing that. So I've got 4 ways here. Okay, I'm going to write them down though. So 2, I'm going to keep the 2 at the front. 2 1 2 1. And then 2 1 1 2. Then you can see I'm going to get another 3 by putting a 1 at the front. 1 2 2 1 1 1 2 2 and 1 2 1 2. Okay, so 6 ways. And so overall we've got another 10 because there's no other ways. I can't just have ones or anything like that. All right. Now I'm on to 5 digits. So I've got to have, yeah, I can't have a 3, but I could have 2 1 1 1 1. Or I could move the 2 along. And that is the only way I could do it. It's going to be 5 ways. And then finally, with 6, there's only going to be one way, 6 ones. That's it. I think that's a pretty good method. So add them up, and it's going to be 16, 26, add 6, and it's going to be 32, which gives me a final answer in the Kangaroo of 0, 3, 2.